In this video, we will learn how to apply national insurance number. First, you will go on gov.uk, the only genuine website. In the search section, write apply for national insurance number. Click search. You will come to this page. The first one is apply for national insurance number. Click on this. This will give you all the details. At the bottom, you will have how to apply. Click on this. Then this will give you the option apply online, apply. First, we will apply national insurance number. Later on in this video, we will see what are the rules, what documents you need to apply national insurance number. So first we have the question, have you applied for national insurance number for yourself before? No. Continue. Are you working or looking for a work in the UK? So you have three options. Number one is yes, I am working or have an offer to start work in the UK. Second option is yes, I am looking for a work in the UK. Third option is no, I am not working and not looking for work in the UK. So we will select the second option. Yes, I am looking for work in the UK. Continue. What is your full name? Enter your name as shown on your identity document you are using to apply for national insurance number. So which identity documents we are talking about? For that, if we go back on the same page and if we zoom into this page, what documents you will need? If you have any of the following documents, get them ready before you start. Number one, a passport from any country. Number two, a national identity card from an EU country or from Norway or Switzerland. You might need to enter information from one or more of these documents. You can still apply if you do not have any of these documents, but you may need to attend an appointment in person to prove your identity. Now, to prove your identity, if you can, you'll need to take and upload a photo of yourself holding your passport. Number two, photo of other identity documents. You can use smartphone, tablet or digital camera. You will be told to take the photos and what they must look like during the application process. You can ask someone to take photos for you. If you cannot upload photos, you can still apply online, but your application will take longer. You may need to attend an appointment or post photocopies of your documents. You will get an email telling you what to do after you have submitted your application. Now let's go back to the same form. The question is, what is your full name? So enter your first name and middle name, your surname, then click continue. Next question is, have you had a different name before this name? For example, because of marriage or adoption? No. Continue. Next question is, which of the following best describes you? Male or female? Male or female? So we'll select female. Next question is, what is your nationality? Enter your nationality in English. So in this case, British. I'll put continue. You also have the dual nationality option. Next question is, what is your date of birth? So I'll put the date of birth. Continue. Were you born in the UK? Select yes if you were born in the UK, even if you moved to another country. Yes. Continue. What is your address? You will put your postcode in. Next question is, select your address, enter your postcode, then select your address. So it's a drop down menu and you will put your address in. Click continue. Can we send letter to this address? If we approve your application, we will post your NI number to you within 4 weeks. Is this the best address to send you? Yes. Continue. Next question is, how do you need us to send you letters? If you give you a national insurance number, we have to send it to you by post. For security reasons, we cannot send NI numbers by email. We will send you a paper copy of each letter, which you can show to an employer. Can we send you a standard printed letter only? Yes. Continue. Can we send you a confirmation email? So if you have an email address, you'll put yes, otherwise no. So if you put yes, then they will send you the email, confirmation email. So in this case, just now I don't have email, so I'll put that. If you have questions about your application, can we phone you? You can put yes as well, or you can put no. If you do not have a phone number and we need to ask a question about your application, we'll send you a letter. This means your application takes longer. Continue. Do you have a passport? Tell us if you have a passport that matches the nationality selected previously. If you select yes, you need to enter your passport number. If you select no, In that case, they will say you do not have a passport. You will need to make an appointment at one of our office. Prove your identity. This means your application may take several weeks longer. If you do not have a passport, then click continue. Otherwise, click yes and enter your passport number. Click continue. Next question is prepare to take and upload photo. Can you upload a digital photo? Yes. If you say no, if you cannot upload photos, you will need to make an appointment at one of our offices to prove your identity. We'll tell you on how to do this after you apply. We will contact you within 4 weeks of your appointment to tell you if we have approved your national insurance number. So we'll click yes, continue. Take and upload a photo of your passport. Get your passport ready. Take a photo and then choose a file and upload it. So we'll do that just now. Continue to upload. Processing image. Check the photo of your passport. Does your photo meet the requirement? Yes. Continue. Take and upload a photo of yourself holding your passport next to your face. This is how you have to do it. Make sure your face is visible and your passport is visible. And your passport should be straight and you must be holding it. They want to see your fingers. And then you click choose upload file. Check the photo of yourself holding your passport next to your face. Does your photo meet these requirements? Yes. Continue. Check all your answers before you send your application. So check all the answers. At the bottom, it says, now send your application. I understand that if I knowingly give information that is incorrect or incomplete, I may be liable to prosecution or other actions. By submitting this application, I confirm that to the best of my knowledge, the details and evidence I have provided are correct. I have read this page and understood. Once you click accept and send, you will not be able to view or change this information online. Accept and send. So this is how simple is the application for the NI. If you need help with your application, these are the phone numbers 0800 141 2079. You can phone this number and you can speak to them directly. And if you have already applied for national insurance number, it can take up to 4 weeks to get your NI number. You can call the application helpline, the number which I just shared. You have applied more than 4 weeks ago. You have moved house since you applied. Your personal details have changed since you applied. So anything changes, you phone the number. If you have an application reference number, have it ready when you call. You will find it at the top of the confirmation email you were sent after you applied.